The ideal PC case for your setup will determine the overall look of your system, influencing what components can be accommodated. Additionally, the case plays a significant role in the noise level of your build, depending on features like fans and the type of panels used. You can find several good quality PC cases that are budget-friendly. To ensure you choose a high-quality case without spending too much, numerous factors can be considered such as material quality, airflow design, cable management, and warranty. We reviewed dozens of models and have selected some of the best budget PC cases. You can find the prices of each of the items in the description below. Now, let's get started. Number 5. Cooler Master Cube 500 Flat Pack. Kicking off our list at number 5 is the Cooler Master Cube 500 Flat Pack, an interesting PC case known for its unique design and functionality. It is designed for small form factor builds, making it suitable for tight spaces while still offering enough room for essential components. Even before you add any components, consider this PC casing to be a DIY project in and of itself. That is the premise behind the ingenious Cube 500, which allows you to IKEA your way to a cute tiny PC. Its DIY approach offers budget-conscious builders a versatile chassis that can also be a fun and memorable family project. It showcases a vibrant and playful design available in multiple colors, and its robust framework supports both full ATX motherboards and standard power supplies. It is configurable in a multitude of ways and is surprisingly sturdy for the price. The Cube typically offers a variety of cooling options, including air and liquid cooling methods, ensuring optimal thermal performance. The inside arrangement is adaptable, allowing for many combinations based on your requirements. With a sleek and modern design, it frequently includes tempered glass panels for a beautiful appeal that highlights your electronics. To sum it up, the Cooler Master Cube 500 Flat Pack is an excellent choice for users seeking a compact and adaptable case that strikes a balance between style and function. Number 4. Lian PC O11 Air Mini. Lian PC O11 Air Mini is a compact case with good cooling performance and aesthetic appeal. It has a dual-chambered design for increased airflow and can accommodate a variety of cooling setups, such as fans and radiators for liquid cooling. Examining the exterior of the O11 Air Mini, the most notable feature is its sleek design. Unlike the original O11D Mini, which had glass side and front panels, the steel mesh front of the O11 Air Mini presents a cleaner aesthetic, almost as if the case has matured and donned a suit. This gives it a more professional appearance, contrasting with the playful vibe of the O11D Mini. This budget-friendly PC case offers great value, featuring 3 PWM fans, glass panel, ample I/O options, an excellent internal layout, and full ATX compatibility. The top I/O includes 2 USB 3.0 ports, a USB Type-C port, and a headphone mic combo jack, along with a power button that features blue lighting around it. In the main component, CPU coolers can reach a height of 6.6 inches, while GPU can be up to 14.3 inches in length. The case only has one filter located at the bottom. Aside from that, you will be relying on the mesh of the top, front, and side panels for filtering, which will be adequate. The Lian PC O11 Air Mini has an unusual side-by-side chambered construction, yet it is easy to build in and performs well by modern standards. With so many functions, beautiful styling, and such good value for money, this case easily earns its position on the list. Number 3. Thermaltake View 270TG. At number 3 is the Thermaltake View 270TG, a stunning mid-tower case that combines design and practicality. It has a vibrant matcha green color scheme and tempered glass panels that highlight your build brilliantly. The View 270TG delivers exceptional value for a PC case under $100 with its USB Type-C support, wraparound glass panels, 3 stylish included fans, and dust filters at every fan location. It's safe to say that this green chassis offers a range of typically premium features at an affordable price. The ARGB lighting provides a colorful touch, syncs with compatible components for a cohesive look, allowing you creative effects to complement your setup. Its side radiator mount is too narrow for 100mm fans and can only accommodate 120mm fans. There are screw holes above and below the fans for attaching extra standoffs for motherboards. The TG case comes in 3 colors: matcha green, hydrangea blue, and snow white options. It features 2 internal 2.5-inch bays, 7 expansion slot positions, 6 fan positions, and a maximum GPU length of 428mm. There is a full inch of space behind the motherboard tray for cable management, except in the area behind the side fan mount. Overall, the Thermaltake View 270TG is an excellent pick if you want a PC case that stands out while yet providing reliable performance. Number 2. Lian Lancool 206. Ranking second in our list is the Lian Lancool 206. This PC case stands out due to its unique features for its price, excellent airflow, and strong build with outstanding cable routing. The newest Lian case incorporates many of the impressive design elements found in its more expensive previous models, while also introducing a PCL fan mount and large 160mm RGB intake fans. It offers a solid I/O setup, including a power button, a reset button, 2 USB 3.0 Type-A ports, 1 USB Type-C port, and an audio combo jack. Its innovative cooling design really really stands out, especially the PCL fan bracket that directs airflow right at your GPU. This feature helps to improve thermal performance, mainly if you use the provided bracket to put a rear 120mm radiator below the GPU sockets, ensuring your graphics card stays cool even during intense gaming sessions. The PCIe bracket can also be rotated to allow for a vertical GPU setup without pressing against the glass. The LandCool accommodates air coolers up to 180mm, providing ample space for even the tallest models. Similarly, it can house GPUs measuring up to 392mm. In the past year, the most sought-after cases have prioritized airflow over glass panels and RGB lighting. However, many of these cases are beginning to look quite similar and dull. The Lian Li LandCool 206 breaks that mold by incorporating standout features from LandCool 3 and O11D Evo, along with an added Peckle fan for enhanced performance. Number 1. Fractal Design North. The Fractal design stands out as our top choice for a PC case. It is a mid-tower PC case that elegantly combines mid-century modern-style elements and functionality. It features hardwood slats for a trendy look and promotes high airflow to keep your components cool. Fractal Design's North line has sparked a trend for wood accents in PC cases. Its 7 bridgeless expansion slots offer ample customization options, and it boasts a distinctive finish, with front panel bars crafted from sustainably sourced oak or walnut. The North can accommodate a GPU up to 355mm, a 360mm radiator in the front, or a graphics card up to 413mm in length. Available with either a mesh side or toughened glass, and in white with chrome accents on the I/O, or charcoal black with lovely brass, this is possibly the finest PC case ever made. With its 2 140mm aspect PWM fans and an additional side bracket that accommodates another pair of fans, the North ensures excellent thermal performance. It is to be noted that delivering those temperatures can be noisy. Admittedly, it comes down to chassis aesthetics. You'll be hard-pressed to find a more elegant combination of steel, glass, and wood outside an architect's studio. If you're looking for a case that complements your stylish living room furniture, offers plenty of storage space, and is budget-friendly, the North is unmatched. We hope Fractal's daring design encourages other manufacturers to explore new ideas. For desktop PC enthusiasts, a case can convey luxury, intrigue, or playfulness. It's like a reflection of your PC's personality. It serves as both the exterior and a glimpse into the power within. When you take pride in your setup, the right chassis not only enhance your enjoyment of the build, but can also improve its performance. Higher-end cases frequently have superior materials, advanced cooling solutions, and beautiful designs, which might raise the price. Ultimately, you can select a case that suits your budget and meet your requirements, because good PC cases can vary in price, but there are several high-quality ones available at affordable costs. From robust full ATX towers to space-saving mini ITX models, these are the best budget PC cases we have evaluated based on design, build ease, thermal performance, and practical features. You can use our recommendations as a rallying point to get your dream build going. Also, the prices of each of the products can be checked from the links given in the description.